To install the Siyavula app on my smartphone or my tablet, I'm going to search for the Siyavula app in the Android Play Store. So it might not be on my home screen. I might have to flip to see another screen, or I can just flip up and then it will show me all the apps that are installed. I might have to look around, but so here I can see the Google Play Store, the top left. I'm going to click on the Google Play Store app, the icon. It will open up the Google Play App Store. And here in the search bar at the top, I'm going to search for Siyavula Education. Siyavula Education, and I haven't completed typing it, but I just picked it up there at the bottom. But I'm going to continue typing. I'm going to go search. It'll search the Play Store, and here I can see the Siyavula Education app, and you can see it's only 4.4 megabytes. So it's a small app. I'm going to click on that. It will give me some information about the app. See, it's got a good rating, and then I'm going to click on the big green install button. And it's going to download the 4.4 megabytes, and then it will start the installation process, and that should be relatively quick. Only take about 30 or 40 seconds. You can see it in the top left. It's busy downloading and installing, and once it's installed, it's going to give me the green open button. I'm going to click on open, and then it will give me a view that looks very similar to the website. So what I want to do is I want to select right at the top. I want to say sign up. If I don't yet have a Siyavula account, I click the green sign up button. The login you only use if you've actually created an account before and you've got a login. But I'm assuming most of you would be new, so you'll click on the sign up button. And here I want to say specifically I want to sign up as a teacher, not as a learner. So I select teacher and I click on sign up. It gives me the opportunity to type in my name. And I'm just using a fake name here for the demonstration. I want to set my password, and ideally you want to pick something which is more than just letters or characters. In this particular case, I just picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it's not a very good password. I'd recommend something more safe. I'm going to type in my email address, and you can register with either your email address or your mobile phone. I'd recommend using both. And I think it's important that you just make a note of what you use to sign up with, because that's what you're going to need to log in again. So either your email address or your mobile phone. I say continue to account setup. I'm in South Africa, and I recommend, if your SACE number is at hand, that you do type it in, your SACE and your personnel number. Your SACE number is important because that makes it easy for us to be able to submit your details through to SACE if you've completed the self-assessment. Otherwise, we'll have to prompt you to complete it at a later stage. School is the most important because that's what we use to link you to your province and to your district. So I start typing out the school. In this particular instance, I'm going to register as a Bokgoni Technical High School teacher. So as I start typing, it gives me the option. It picks it from the school master list. It's important that you select your school off the master list rather than just type it in. I'm going to choose Bokgoni High School. I'm going to set my date of birth, and it's also important because we do get a few learners that make it through the system signing up as a teacher, and this again just helps us to validate that it is indeed an educator signing up. And then there you've created an account. Welcome, John. You get access until the end of 2019. I'm going to close that notification. And then what you want to do is you want to pick the diagnostic self-evaluation, the yellow tile. And that'll take you through to the diagnostic self-assessment, self-evaluation page. Gives you a little bit of information about the diagnostic self-assessment. And then what you want to do is, so you've already signed up, so you can actually just go straight to trying one of these assessments. And in this particular instance, so I'm a grade 9 mathematics teacher, so I'm going to try the mathematics grade 9 assessment. You can see it's 24 questions, and in this particular one, so I need to multiply the following product, and I need to, this particular one actually, I need to use x squared, so I can see there x. If I'm not sure how to type it, you can see here it shows in order to exponents, I'm going to use the caret sign, so say x to the power of 2. You can see there under preview it shows to me what it looks like, say plus, and I'm just going to take a guess in this particular one. Plus 9. You can see there's my equation in the preview view. And it says, am I sure? Yeah, I'm sure that's what I want. My answer is mark it, and I can see this one. I didn't get it correct. And I can read the model solution. So I can either try this exercise again, and then the system will give me a different instance of the same type of problem. So, and in this case, I'm going to say, yes, I want to try it again. And you can see it's a similar kind of problem, but the numbers differ. So x to the power of 2 plus, okay, that would be y. 10, I'm going to say 12y plus 20. In this particular case, I've gotten it correct, and then I'm going to say, I'm going to go to the next exercise. You can see I'm exercise 2 of 24. So, and if I want to go back, say return to dashboard, and whenever I want to get back to the self-assessment, I can find it in my menu, or I can just click on the home screen. It'll take me to the home screen, and there I can find diagnostic assessment again. So I can always return back to the home screen by at the top left clicking the Siyavula icon. And if I want to get back to the self-assessment, I'm going to click the diagnostic self-evaluation. And we made an attempt at a grade 9 assessment. If I click on report, it'll show me what the report looks like, and I can see here I've completed 4% of the report, of the assessment, and I can see I've made 2 attempts at the first question, so for 50% right, but I still got a little bit of work to do before I get there. So that's essentially it. Good luck. If you've got any questions, welcome to contact Siyavula on the number that you can find below it. I need help.